Mel Gibson has reportedly made a plea deal in connection with a pending criminal case involving alleged abuse of Oksana Grigorieva. TMZ reports that Gibson has reached an agreement with prosecutors and quotes sources as saying that Gibson will plead no contest to simple battery on Friday and will not get jail time as part of the deal. Former Real Housewives of DC cast member Michaele Salahi was reportedly asked to leave the VH1 show Celebrity Rehab. TMZ reports that Salahi was kicked off of the show because she doesn't have a serious addiction and had no reason to be there. Salahi's husband, Tariq, is reportedly planning to sue. Charlie Sheen is lashing out at his former 2.5 Men co-star Jon Cryer. Sheen told E! News he's upset because Cryer hasn't reached out to him recently, calling him a turncoat, a traitor, and a troll. A custody battle is brewing between Ashley Simpson and Pete Wentz over their 2-year-old son, Bronx. According to TMZ, Wentz filed legal papers Tuesday trying to counter Simpson's petition for primary custody of the toddler. Wentz is said to be seeking joint custody. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.